Good morning, everyone. So, today I'm going to start chapter 8, that is simple and the continuous tense. So, first of all, we are going to start with simple tense. Now, simple tense may be your present continuous. So, first, will according to the exercises, I'll be giving you an explanation. Like, for example, exercise number A of page number 45, you can see complete the sentences using simple present or present continuous. So present continuous generally we use when the things are done is being done at the present, means the work is in the continuous tense, still the work is going on in the present, in the right now, just now. And simple present tense is just a regular habit done at a regular basis. Like for example, let us take Ramesh does stories for children. To Ramesh, it's a general hobby or it's his work to write the stories. So the bracket verb is write. So we will use writes. Why we are using s here? It's because it is his general, it is his regular work. He generally or regularly writes stories for the children. Let us take an example number 4. As it is given, they dash not come is given there for dinner. They dash not be hungry. So here how we will continue, they dash not come for dinner. Not come means they are not going to come. So it is continuous. They are, is, am, are as a auxiliary verb or helping verb is used in the present continuous tense. So they, because it is plural, so we will use the plural form, that is are. So they are not come will change to coming. Ing form verb, that is v4, we are using in the continuous tense. So wherever continuous will be there, we will be using v4. So they are not coming for dinner and they are not hungry. They are not coming to for dinner, they are not hungry. So here we will because it is the first part is in continuous tense, so obviously the second part will also goes the same. Like take an example number 8. Anup dash lot of research right now. Now word is already used, so present continuous. Anup is doing a lot of research right now on the subject, still the work is in the continuous form. Now exercise number B. So rest of the question will be solving as it is mentioned. Like rewrite the sentences using correct form of verb. Like example, water is freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. It is a generally it happens. It is regularly happening at 0 degrees Celsius. Fact, it is the truth. So it will use S. The water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Do she learn the jazz or the ballet form of dance? We have to use the correct form. It will not be do here. Does she learn the jazz form or the ballet form of dance? My sister had the volleyball team of her school. My sister heads because she is the head of the volleyball team. She is the captain of the volleyball team. So heads. It will be heads. So this way you will do. Like I in question number 7, let us take, I am thinking you are right about this. I think you are right about this. So this way we are going to complete it. Now complete this passages using the simple present or present continuous. Again the same thing as it was mentioned exercise number 1, that is A. So this way we have to solve it. Like example, it is mentioned here B. So B accordingly we will see and we will mention that whether it will be is, am, are or was, where, whatever it is. But it is mentioned here simple present, present continuous. So B will change to is, am, are. So this way you have to solve exercise number C also. And just for the exercise number D, as it is mentioned, and that to complete the sentences using simple past or past continuous. Simple past, the structure of the simple past, that is ed generally we use, that is forget, watch, the watched, ed. As for example, it is not mentioned here. So ed form we are using, that is verb 2, but that is verb 3. Or the past continuous. Past continuous means it will be was, where according to the subject, and ing form. Continuous means v4 we are going to use. Like just take an example of question number 2. Revati das watch television when Kriti. So when Kriti was doing something, she was watching. The Revati was watching. Was is singular we are using because Revati is the subject here mentioned, and because it is past continuous, so watch will change to watching. Revati was watching television when Kirti as it is mentioned come, when Kirti came to visit her. So this way you just solve the question. Question number, take example of question number 7. Sarah does come to pick us up does drive us to hotel. Sarah came to pick us up and drove us to the hotel. It is simple past we are using here. So this way you will just find it out. The most important thing is you have to use the formula there. Again, the same form of thing is given. It is in the form of a letter, and you have to complete this paragraph. Again, the same thing, a passage in the form of passage, and we have to use correct present or past form of verb. So generally what we have to do is question number A, that is A you have to solve, question number B you have to solve, question number C you have to solve, and question number D you have to solve in your book. Thank you.